Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the crypto market, a lot of updates, Bitcoin, Cardano, a lot of stuff we need to talk about today, guys. So let's take a look at the global crypto market. But first, please subscribe, turn on those post notifications, consider putting a like on the video. So as you can see, Bitcoin just surpassed the 47,000, just came down. Now it's actually in 48,000 all morning. So it's up just under 1%. 7 days still looking good, about 2%. Ethereum getting closer to $4,000. Cardano, ADA, staying in that 240 cent range right there, 246. Not much going on. XRP stabling out here at 111. It's been around 109, 108 for the last few days. Not much going on right now at the moment. Market, not too much really happening. As you can see, global market is at 2.19 trillion, which is up about 2.5%. So we're doing fairly well right now. A lot of people thought that we might be in a bear market or we might come down and test some lower levels on Bitcoin, maybe $38,000, but I don't see that happening. I think we're gunning for 50,000, and once we hit 50, we're only going to continue higher with all these analysts that are predicting that Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000 by end of year, which is possible, which would be great because then we'd see the rest of the coins like Ethereum and so forth continue and gain. Now, what's interesting on these charts, here we go. Avalanche is doing amazing. Look at these numbers. So we're at $60 right now, up over 15% in the last 24 hours, but the 7-day up over 40%. This is in the best of the top 20 in my opinion right now. So number 14 on the list. So this is doing very well. A lot of room to grow. This one's been moving very well. Solana at $157, up about 0.5%. But over the 7-day, come down quite a bit, down 22%. But we saw over this past weekend, I believe it was Sunday, where Solana went into 200, so we surpassed that $200 mark. So now we have some room to grow. So picking it up right now wouldn't be so bad. Market is doing fairly well. It's all in the green. Every coin for the most part is in the green. And as you can see, being down 22%, we can still catch that gain from 157 to the over $200 range. So still a great investment in my opinion. A lot going on with NFT Solanas. So definitely something that you want to be taking a look at. However, not financial advice, but guys, take a look at it. You won't regret it. Let's get into some of the exciting news for today. So we have Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy has purchased an additional 5,050 Bitcoins for $242.9 million in cash at an average of about $48,000 per Bitcoin. So as of September 12th, 2021, they have 114,000 Bitcoins acquired for $3.16 billion at an average price of $27,713. So this is pretty good. They're still a little lower than the going rate, which is about $48,000 right now. So they still have some profit in there. However, I know they're only going to be acquiring more because they're constantly picking up on the dips, adding their position. So this is really great to see right here. Huge position for Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy. So great news with Cardano. Cardano finally released smart contracts. So we have an article here. Cardano Alonso upgrade sees 100 smart contracts in the first 24 hours. Now this is really exciting because this is what we've all been waiting for. If you're an investor in Cardano, ADA, this is something you'd be very excited about. So the article just goes on to tell more of the story. As you can see, they're the third largest blockchain, which is Cardano. The successful update gives it smart contract functionality, providing developers with the ability to create apps that can utilize the advanced capabilities of its blockchain. So this is going to be big. I truly believe this is going to be big. This is going to bring in much more investors, other companies. This is going to start to drive increase the price. I think this is nothing but a great bullish sign for Cardano, for ADA, all of the investors out there. And I have a position myself. This is fantastic news. As you can see, the Alonso upgrade marks the first stage in creator Charles Hoskinson's plan to advance a fair global financial system at a reduced monetary and environmental cost. Within 24 hours, the platform has already seen more than 100 smart contracts run on the network, with its first decentralized application already deployed. And Charles Hoskinson goes on to state that the upgrade is the cumulative of 6 years of incredibly hard work with some of the brightest minds in blockchain and beyond, he said. All right, so let's move on to NFTs. So insider trading allegations rock OpenSea. NFT marketplace responds. So if you weren't aware of this, we heard about this just the other day, I believe it was yesterday or the day before. Nate Chastain, which is OpenSea's head of product, is at the center of a scandal that emerged on Twitter that began on Tuesday night. This was all uncovered in a big thread, and now we have OpenSea responding. So in a statement issued Wednesday morning, which was yesterday, leading non-fungible token NFT marketplace OpenSea said it uncovered evidence of insider trading by one of its employees. So yesterday we learned that one of our employees purchased items that they knew were set to display on our front page before they appeared there publicly. So we had a tweet from Zuu here that stated, "Hey OpenSea, why does it appear that Nate Chastain has a few secret wallets that appear to buy your front page drops before they are listed and then sells them shortly after the front page hype spike for profits and then tumbles them back into his main wallet with his punk on it?" This is coming from that thread. The Twitter user assembled a paper trail of transaction receipts tied to Nate Chastain, which is the head of product at OpenSea, as we just mentioned. So he's doing this investigation. It's all getting unraveled now. OpenSea is well aware of it, and we're going to see what's going to happen. So this is something we need to be very careful about with NFTs. You know, there's not just manipulation and scams and a lot of fraud going on in crypto or the stock market. Now we're starting to see it in NFTs, and it's only going to increase as we go further on. And we have OpenSea stating that they're implementing new policies that prohibit this kind of behavior. For a new, more open internet that empowers creators and collectors, we will need to bake in trust and transparency into all that we do. We're committed to doing the right thing for our users and earning back the trust of the community that we serve. So they definitely got some work cut out for themselves to get this implementation in order so they can ensure that there's no other employees doing any insider trading and, you know, just basically screwing out the investors like ourselves, right, that are trying to purchase NFTs, whether you're a collector or you're just trying to flip it or trying to make a few bucks. Definitely we need some protection here. Well, there you have it, guys, your update for today for crypto, for Bitcoin, for Cardano, ADA, for NFTs. Probably have some more information coming out shortly. As well, guys, please consider subscribing to the channel, turning on those post notifications, dropping a like if you get value out of this content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys all in the next video.